Picture Windows Pasadena TX is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal. Our expert team specializes in custom window designs Pasadena, Texas, ensuring that each installation complements the unique style of your home. With a focus on energy-efficient windows Pasadena, we provide solutions that not only look great but also help reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient windows in Pasadena are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while minimizing energy consumption. Our residential window solutions Pasadena are designed to provide maximum insulation, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. We offer a variety of window frame options Pasadena, Texas, including vinyl, wood, and aluminum, to suit your specific needs and preferences. For businesses, our commercial window services Pasadena offer a range of options to improve the appearance and functionality of your property. From window repair experts Pasadena TX to window maintenance Pasadena, we ensure that your windows are always in top condition. Our glass window specialists Pasadena TX are skilled in handling all types of commercial window installations and repairs. Double-pane windows Pasadena are an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows are designed to provide superior thermal performance, making them a popular option for both residential and commercial properties. Our window glazing services Pasadena, Texas ensure that your double-pane windows are installed with precision and care. Window replacement Pasadena TX is a crucial service for homeowners looking to upgrade their existing windows. Our team offers a comprehensive range of window replacement services, including window style consultation Pasadena to help you choose the perfect design for your home. With our window installation warranty Pasadena TX, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Picture windows Pasadena TX are designed to provide optimal energy efficiency and comfort. Our window sealing services Pasadena ensure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent drafts and energy loss. We also offer window weatherproofing Pasadena to protect your windows from the elements and extend their lifespan. Window tinting Pasadena TX is a great way to enhance privacy and reduce glare in your home or office. Our window tinting options are available in a variety of shades and styles to suit your needs. Additionally, our window UV protection Pasadena TX helps protect your furnishings from harmful UV rays, preserving their color and integrity. For those interested in the latest window design trends Pasadena, Texas, our team offers expert advice and guidance. We stay up to date with the latest innovations in window technology and design, ensuring that our clients receive the best possible solutions. Our window hardware upgrades Pasadena provide the perfect finishing touch to any window installation. Picture Windows Pasadena, Texas is an essential service for maintaining the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our professional window cleaning services ensure that your windows are spotless and free from dirt and grime. We also offer window screen installation Pasadena TX to keep insects and debris out of your home. Window noise reduction Pasadena, Texas is a key consideration for homeowners looking to create a peaceful indoor environment. Our insulated windows and double-pane options are designed to minimize noise pollution, providing a quiet and comfortable living space. Our window security features Pasadena offer added protection and peace of mind for your home or business. Our window repair experts Pasadena TX are skilled in addressing a wide range of window issues, from broken glass to damaged frames. We provide prompt and reliable window repair services to ensure that your windows are always in optimal condition. Our window maintenance services include regular inspections and repairs to keep your windows functioning smoothly. Window UV protection Pasadena TX is an important consideration for homeowners looking to protect their interiors from sun damage. Our window tinting options and UV protection films help block harmful rays, preserving the beauty and longevity of your furnishings. Our window sealing services Pasadena also contribute to energy efficiency and comfort. For those seeking custom window designs Pasadena, Texas, our team offers personalized solutions tailored to your specific needs and preferences. We work closely with our clients to create unique window designs that enhance the beauty and functionality of their homes. Our window style consultation Pasadena ensures that you receive the perfect windows for your space. Window installation warranty Pasadena TX provides peace of mind for homeowners investing in new windows. Our comprehensive warranty covers all aspects of the installation process, ensuring that your windows are installed to the highest standards. With our expert team and quality products, you can trust that your window installation will be a success.